everyone, today we will go to 600 trophies in Arena 3, and as you can see I have some chests, something a trophy road, and we have here some things to buy. So like and subscribe and let's start. So this is my deck. I used it in the last video, of course, and yeah, today we will hit Barbarian Bowl because I want to go to that arena so much. So let's see, we will open this chest. Yeah, nothing too good. We will get those coins. Okay. Um. Ooh, 7 mini P.E.K.K.A.s. We can upgrade it now, and I will get those bombers because I can upgrade them after that. And I don't have gold. Okay, we will upgrade the bomber then, and maybe I will get some gold from, or no, we don't have a chest, but maybe we will get from this chest something good. So let's see. Okay, our first opponent. Let I think we need 3 more wins. So okay, I'll start with okay. I'll put goblin key here, goblins here. Okay, I'll put musketeer here. Oh, okay. Okay, musketeer got 2 hits. This is good. Mini P.E.K.K.A here. Ooh, very good fireball. Let's see. 1 hit, please. Wow. Why he let it that connect? Like, okay. Goblins here. Goblins here. And we go with giant. Let's see. Why? Anyway, he can defend that because yeah, I did. Mini P.E.K.K.A here. And Valkyrie here. And I think we won. Okay, this is very good. Wait. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, this mode. Okay. We have 3 crowns, but we don't have the real. So, yeah. Okay, one more win, and we will get 25 gem. Giant in the back. This is how you need to play this game. You need to build a big push from the back, not how this guy did. Play the mini P.E.K.K.A but the bridge, like you can defend that. It's not a big deal. Okay. Okay. And some goblins. Or I will let it fight. I was thinking that master will be alive, but anyway, 1 hit, maybe another one. I will defend with goblins. Okay, now, oh my god, he's rushing the bridge like crazy, bro. Okay, maybe please kill the musketeer. Okay. I don't have elixir, he rushes the bridge. Okay. Maybe one. Oh my god. Okay. Now it will be double elixir, so. Okay. He wants to go with a big. Okay. Oh, this is perfect. The musketeer. Yes. One more hit. No. Okay, goblin cage here. Okay, arrows. Oh no 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 mini PK. No. No. Okay. I think I need to fireball. Oh, goblin cage here. Mini PK here. Okay, giant here. Oof. Oil, arrows and fireball and hope. Okay, you can take the tower. Okay. We won. This is good. Now one more match. Okay. Now let's see. We have another 3 crowns. 25 gems. And yeah, this is the last game for Arena 3. So let's see. Lordas. 4 more trophies than me. Maybe I'm better and he has level 2. Okay, this is good. I don't like that musketeer. Okay, I can build a push. I don't have elixir, but okay, maybe one hit. No. Hmm. Okay. Let's see. Okay, goblin cage here. I'll go goblins, arrows. Okay, now we have something to support the giant. And I think that's tower, and we will win this match, and we are in arena 3. Okay, I don't even care. Yeah, that's it probably. And 30 trophies. This should be enough. Right? Yes, this is enough. We are in arena 3. Yay! Okay, we have a lucky drop. Let's see. It's a common. Ooh. Let's see. I want a fireball. Level 5 fireball. But I can't upgrade the mini P.E.K.K.A. And how much XP it gives me the... I don't know. Okay. Let's play a game in this arena. Let's see. Okay. This guy is in arena 2, but I don't care, I will still win. I will not let him win. Maybe he beats me, I don't know. Valkyrie here, Musketeer here. I'll put a mini P.E.K.K.A there. Mini P.E.K.K.A here. Perfect defense. Those skeletons are useless. I think, yes. Oh my god, the mini P.E.K.K.A. Okay. We can take both towers, but let's see. Fire here. And I will go giant on this side, because the left tower I will get it with a fireball. So yeah, okay. I'll go carry with goblins. Oh, he has a wizard. He paid money. Pay to win player. Okay, the goblins will take the left tower. No. Oh my god, my musketeer doesn't get one shot it from the mini P.E.K.K.A. That's perfect. Okay, here. I'll go giant. He's not expecting this. I don't know how to speak. I'm so happy because we are in this arena. Okay, kill that. Oh no. Okay. Okay, perfect. I want that tower. So I'll just cycle and defend. Okay. We have a okay, goblin cage here. And now we just defend. Okay. That's it. We won. Perfect. Yes, so hope you enjoyed this video, because this is the end of the video. In the next video maybe we'll try to get to like 650 trophies or 700 or 800. We will see. So hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see tomorrow probably, because tomorrow I will post a very good video.